Well, hello there. Meet Nicholas. Just like you, he is a highly skilled assistant to many executives. He works long hours, organising, rescheduling and basically jumping through hoops to keep his employers' lives running smoothly. Unfortunately, the grueling 9 to 5 with overtime is a vicious cycle, much like a hamster wheel, increasing in momentum with added stress, pressure and time constraints, leaving little or no time for family, friends or himself. Enough was enough! Nicholas needed a change that no longer affected his health, his personal life and gave him more time. Knowing how skilled he is, Nicholas knew there was more to life. He could do what he is doing now, but on his own terms. He could start a virtual business that offers everything he is doing now, but from home. The tables would be turned. He'd be the boss and they would be his clients. But Nicholas didn't know where to begin. So he Googled it and found QA Consultancy's VA Academy, who offers an exciting solution that is exactly what he needed. They offer a self-paced online course that outlines the essentials for designing, creating and implementing your own virtual executive assistant business. Perfect for getting started. Nicholas took the leap and signed up for the Essentials course, and now he is well on his way to a better lifestyle balance. Why don't you be brave and take the step? QA Consultancy, VA Academy.